Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Cliff Wexler, and I am a Senior Solutions Architect here at Red Hat. And today's video will be on Ansible Security Automation. The Ansible Automation Platform is Red Hat's enterprise automation solution, which, as you probably know, is fueled by an extremely active open source community, ranked 7th out of over 100 million GitHub projects. It has a huge footprint in IT operations, network operation, and is now growing in security. And this is thanks to its ability to remove complexity with automation wherever you can. With a simple human-readable language and a modular approach to support different technologies while removing the need for specific domain knowledge. And offering a platform where all members of the organization, including lines of business, can collaborate creating, sharing, consuming, and getting visibility in their automation assets. Ansible has a lot of momentum. It is being downloaded over 3 million times a month, where most of our competitors are either staying flat or decreasing. There are plenty of security vendors out there, each one of them with many solutions that claim to solve specific security problems, and most of them actually do. Enterprise organizations are investing more money into those solutions, which is definitely good, but they end up with an average of 20 to 50 products implemented across different categories. Most of these products produce alerts and/or events that become so many that security teams are overwhelmed and able to process only 5% of them. Although, if you have a security background, you know that 5% isn't even that bad if you're super efficient in dealing with that. And yet, despite so many security solutions and money invested, the time to investigate and resolve an incident has increased, and so the severity of the attacks. But why is that? You may have heard many times that the lack of a skilled security professional is the leading cause, which is certainly true, and in fact a problem that automation can help solve. Unfortunately, the scale and complexity of the modern infrastructure that needs to be protected, in combination with the challenge of speed brought by modern cyber attacks using automation themselves, require technology to support human operators. Additionally, a well-known problem in the security space is a lack of integration between all those security tools, and none of the standards proposed so far has ever been successful. If you think about the 20 to 50 security products any large security organization has installed, they still have to manage them manually, jumping between all the different UIs. Now, the good news is that there's an understanding that automation, in combination with other technologies like AI, is a way to implement security more efficiently, and it's the case that we have Ansible to offer them. If you wonder what ranked first in the set of challenges you see on the slide, it is the lack of skilled staff, which again is certainly true, but throwing more people at the problem will hardly be the solution. Additionally, this is a place where automation proved to be helpful already. Red Hat's Ansible Security Automation has been released together with Ansible Automation Platform and currently enables the orchestration of the following enterprise security solutions: enterprise firewalls, security information and events management, intrusion detection and prevention systems, privileged access management, and endpoint protection platforms. Security automation is Ansible's expansion deeper into the security use case. Depending on the team or the person you're talking to, automation in the security space can mean different things and be applied in different areas, like investigation and remediation, hardening, or compliance. The automation and orchestration of security response is a new and fast-growing market where we have the opportunity to enter at an early stage and position Ansible as a standard automation language. Our goal is to target security response and operations teams and provide them a more efficient, streamlined way to automate their various processes for the identification and response to security events using Ansible to stitch together all the different tools used as part of those processes. To do that, Similarly to what we did in the network space, we're expanding Ansible's footprint to cover a new class of technologies, security products and devices. But since security people are not developers, we are also focusing on developing and enabling existing and new partners to develop content which is specifically intended to support investigation and response use cases. Let me be clear here. Red Hat is not turning into a security vendor. We want to support the security market as automation expert, and this means working with both security teams inside our customers and security ISVs. The reason why we expanded Ansible's footprint to this area is that we saw a series of problems we can solve. Today's security operation is time-consuming and error-prone. An average security ops has to handle and interact with up to 5 different GUI-based tools to do their job. Ansible can speed up the interaction by rendering manual interaction unnecessary. Also, interacting manually with different GUI tools handling sensitive data in stress situations is very error-prone. Automation avoids these error sources by a structured and automated process. Last but not least, each manual step can always deviate from the process, and thus it is hard to verify or control. Automation makes the work in the security teams auditable. Red Hat Ansible Automation is a tool needed to solve the ever-growing security challenges your customers are facing every day. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.